Hello everyone, here's your learning partner Disha ma'am. Welcome back. This is second part of the video that I uploaded, that is prepositions, right? I uploaded video just few days back, prepositions. In that I have explained you about through, across, between and among. Now today I have taken up another preposition, that is over and above. See, both these words mean same, okay, but there are some places where they will act differently. Both the meanings both have same meaning, that is higher than. Okay, that is higher than. But how and how it will be used, let's see. See over here, there is a demonstration of the two prepositions. Look over here carefully. See over here in the first picture, I have written directly, and above it I have written over and above. So you always have to remember this thing, that over and above could be used if anything is directly above. If anything is directly above. Alright. In the second picture, just look over here. Here one, two and three circles are there. Alright. In the left one indirectly it is written, and in the right one indirectly it is written, and in the between one directly it is written. So there are three positions over here. Alright. So when it is directly above, alright, what we will use, we can use both over and above. But if it is in the right direction, in the left direction, or anywhere else, but at the upper position, higher than, then we have to use above. Just remember this thing, when anything is directly upwards, and when anything is directly up, alright, higher than us, then we can use both over as well as above. But if it is not directly upwards, if it is indirectly upwards, if it is like higher than us, so we will use above only. Alright, let's understand it with examples. Here let's see some examples. So first use is, here I will be comparing these two words, over and above. Above or higher than something else. Alright, when it is directly upwards. For example, there is a sign over the door, or there is a sign above the door. Both are correct. Okay, both are correct. Next sentence. She is holding the umbrella over her head. It is directly up. Alright, it is higher than her head. It is directly upwards over there. So both above and over will be considered correct. Alright, but here my rule and my guidance to you is this: when it is directly upwards, go for over only. Alright, but if you are using above also at such a place where that object is directly upwards, as over here in these two pictures you can see the umbrella which is directly upwards, you can see that exit sign, right, it is directly upward. So if you will use over, then also it is correct. If you will use above, then also it is correct. No one will make it wrong. Alright, next, higher than or at a level greater than other. Now how will you differentiate between over and above? See, in over there will be sense of higher than, and it will be directly upwards. Alright, but in above there will be sort of level. Okay, there will be sort of level, first level, second level, or at the first position, or at the second position, at the third position. Like over here we can see it in the example. Michael name is above my name on the list. That means it is indicating that it is on the first position, it is before me, right? It is upwards me, it is higher than me, right? So it is indicating level. That is greater than the other one. So Michael name is above my name on the list. We will not say it is over my name. it is wrong. Okay, it will get wrong. What you will use? You will use above my name when you want to indicate level, when you want to indicate position. Let's see one more. Our wages are above average. That means it is more than average. Okay, the level is good, the level is much bigger than it. Third sentence, Ricky lives above Dinesh. This doesn't mean that he is living above Dinesh. Okay, he is upwards Dinesh. No, look at this picture. Here is a building. Okay, that means if Ricky is living on the 6th floor, then Dinesh would be living on the 8th floor. That means upwards, that means higher than, in the level wise, in the position wise. Alright, so whenever there is any sort of level, we will use above. Okay, and whenever there is normal sense, it is indicating directly upwards, then we will use over. Next differentiation, from one side to the other. From one side to the other. For example, here is the sentence, the bird flew over the lake. Now let's see how. This is the lake. Now here is the bird. See, it is coming and flying away from there. It has gone over the lake. Alright, by covering it, by passing from it, the bird has gone over the lake. We will not say above. I will tell you why. Next example. Next example is, the helicopter flew over the mountains. Alright, for example, just imagine mountains are over here. Alright, you just imagine it in your imagination and just imagine a helicopter. It is flying from over it. It is not flying above it. It has flown over the mountains. That means it has passed from one side to the other side. Right? Next is, the fox jumped over the log. Look at this picture now. Here it is. See, the fox, what the fox is doing? It is jumping over the log. If we will say it is jumping above the log, then fox would probably be jumping on the log only. Okay, there will be no sense of movement from one place to another, from one side to another. That will be a fixed location. Let's see how. See over here. It is about above. Okay, next one is about above. One location but at a higher level. This is what I was trying to tell you, that over means from one side to the other side. It will indicate sense of movement, and above will not indicate any sense of movement. It will be one location only, and it will be like at the higher level, at that place only. Okay, the situation, the scenario, the location will be same. It will not change. For example, look at this sentence, the helicopter was hovering over the building. Look at this. Here is the building. Now see at the helicopter. Look closely what the helicopter is doing. It is moving above it only. Okay, it is moving, it is hovering above it only. Same position, one position, but at a higher level. So here we will use above. Second, we have got a little house above the lake. We have got a little house above the lake. Look at this picture. What it means, that at a higher level, that means lake is over there, you will start moving, you will go at a higher position, there you will find out my house, my little house. Alright, if I would have written we have got a little house over the lake. Okay, if I would have written we have got a little house over the lake, that means it is same position, the lake, where the lake position is there, it is the house is there only. The sentence would be inappropriate. Can we have the house just up of the lake? We cannot have. Okay, it will sink in it, right? So when we want to indicate that it is nearby and at a higher level, we will use above. And the location is fixed. Location, there is no movement, we will use above. and when there is movement from one side to the other side, we will use over. All right. One more sentence. The top of Mount Everest is 8,848 meter above sea level. That means that top is fixed over there. Is the top moving from one side to other? No, we are just indicating that it is this much meter above sea level. This much meter higher than the sea level. So this is the basic difference between over and above. I am again repeating my words. Over means from one side to the other side with a sense of movement, and above means at a higher level, at one location only. It will be there only. No movement will be there in sense of above. Next, here also there is one difference. Let's see. More than. The next one is more than. Alright. So it is about over. He had been waiting in office for over an hour. That means for more than an hour. He has been waiting there for me. Alright, whenever you want to indicate sense of more than, then you can use over. Next, over 4,000 copies of this book has been sold out. That means more than 4,000 copies. Okay. Next, third, if someone is asking you how old is he or how old you are, and you want to say that, see, I am 15 plus, or I am 16 plus, I am 20 plus, I am 25 plus. So what you can say? For example, you are 20 plus, so you can say I am over 20. That means you are more than that. You are 20 plus. Next, I hope I don't weigh over 60 kilograms. That means I don't become overweight. I don't become much more than 60 kilograms. I want to be at the same weight only. Alright, we all are sitting at home. We all are worried that we don't put up so much weight. So how we can say it? I hope during this corona lockdown, alright, I hope I don't weigh over 60 kilograms. We will not use above over here. We will use over when we want to indicate sense of more than. Next, there were over 40 people at the party. That means there were more than 40 people over there in the party. Next, I get over 60 emails a day. What it means? That I get more than 60 emails a day. Okay, these are the additional numbers. Alright, I get over 60 emails. So whenever you want to indicate sense of more than, what you can use? You can use over. Now in this differentiation, above is also there. Let's see how. More than an amount or level, when we will be talking about some sort of amount, okay, or there will be sense of level, okay, level will be there, then we will use above. For example, it says on the box, it's for children age 3 or above. Alright, that means level is over there. The children who are age 3, the children who are age 2, the children who are age 1, level is there, position is over there. So in such sort of sense, where there is where there is sense of position or there is sense of level, we will use above. Next, rates of pay are above average. That means it is more than average. It is about amount. I just told you that when it is about amount, then when it is about level, then what we will use? We will use above. Next, temperature rarely rise above 0 in winter. Whenever you want to indicate about 0 degrees Celsius, you are talking anything regarding that sense, you will use above. Next, she values her job above her family, not over her family. Alright, family is she values her job above her family. That means for her job is more important than family. Alright, job is more important than family. Next, The results are well above what we expected. That means the level of the results have gone up. The levels of result have risen up. So in the sense of level, what we will use above. What we will use above. So I am again repeating my words regarding the last slide, that is more than. Okay, when we will use over, there will be no sense of level, there will be no sense of amount. All right, but when we will use above, there will be sense of temperature, there will be sense of level, there will be sense of amount. All right, but both the sense will indicate more than, with a little bit of differentiation between two. Next slide. Next is, again there is a differentiation. First one is, in more important or advanced position than someone else. When you are holding more important position, or the sentence is indicating that I am superior than someone else. So in such sort of words, such sort of positions, such sort of scenario, what you are going to use? Let's see. A captain ranks dash a lieutenant. Okay, so what the sentence is conveying, that a captain rank is above, that a captain rank is more important than of a lieutenant, right? So in such a place, wherever you are indicating about position that is more important or advanced, we will use above. Next, the old man resented having someone above him telling him what to do. That means the old man has got angry. Why he has got angry? Because he didn't like that someone is telling him what to do. Okay, someone is thinking himself above him, someone is thinking himself superior and is telling the old man what to do. So the old man is really very angry, So again, the sentence, what is the sentence indicating? Advanced position or a superior level, right? So that's why we have used above over here. Next sentence is, you don't get your own office here until you are a manager or above. Again, see over here in this sentence, manager or above. That means we are talking about a position, right? We are talking about a position, and we are saying that if you are a manager or you are at an advanced position, then only the things will happen. So let's read out the sentence again. You don't get your own office here until you are a manager or above. So what is the sentence indicating? That you have to be a manager, or you have to retain another above position, another superior level to be or to get an office over here. All right, and if you are not getting any office, then you will probably not be having a good place over here. That means you are not at a superior level. Next, most importantly. Next differentiation is most importantly. When you want to say that something is very, very, very important for you, how you will say? Look at this sentence. Above all, you must have listened this sentence. Above all, I had liked to thank my family. That means I consider like before thanking to anyone, I want to give like appreciation. I want to be like very grateful towards my family, that they have helped me so much. So how we will say that? Above all. All right, above all, I had liked to thank my family. Next is, above all, I had say I value kindness. That means instead of pointing out other things, what I wanted to point over here is that the best thing, or the first position, the thing that should be given is kindness. We should always be kind towards others. So above all, we should all be kind to others. So when you wanted to indicate about most importantly, which word you can use? Above all. Here there are other like uses of over. Okay, I've added it up. So let's see. First one is while doing something, or we can say during something. Look at this sentence. They discussed the project over coffee. That doesn't mean that they were sitting over a coffee mug and they were discussing it, right? No. For example, look at this picture over here. They discussed the project over coffee. That means they were having coffee and they were discussing about the project. That means while doing something or during something, they have discussed it. Next is using a method of communication or through a method of communication. How? I heard about the accident over the radio. That means I was not sitting over the radio and hearing it. Actually, that is the like part of communication process, and through it I got to know that something has happened. So whenever you want to say that there is a device or there is something and you have discussed the things or you have listened to the things using that device, you can use over. I heard about the accident over the radio. Alright, next sentence. Jane spoke to the manager over a phone. That doesn't mean that he was like sitting on it and he was like Jane was speaking. No. What he was doing, he was like having a phone call. Okay, they were discussing something. So on the phone, over the phone, like they were speaking to the manager. Okay. Like you can say, I am discussing things with my mother over cell phone. That means you are discussing, you are having a call with her and you are discussing about the things. Next, I have accepted the job over the phone. That doesn't mean that you are like on the phone and you are accepted. No, it means that you got a call. Okay, you got a call from the company and the company has said you that okay, we are ready to keep you, we are ready to give you this job, and you have said okay on it. So you have accepted the job over the phone, but I haven't been confirmed in writing it. So this is a complete sentence. You are saying that on phone, yes, I have discussed the things, I have accepted the job, but there is no legal formality, no written document with me which with I could prove that yes, I have accepted the job. So these two things we can use over. With these two things we can use over. Next is in control of or teaching someone or something. That means you are having the possession of it or you are having good control over it, good guidance over it. Okay, for example, a good teacher has an easy authority over a class. We all know this thing, that if a teacher is good, she will easily be able to control the class. So when we want to indicate that she is having good authority over the things or she is like having good control over the things, it could be anything. It could be anything. Alright, so what we will use? We will use the preposition over. Next, the victory over the French at Waterloo was Wellington's greatest triumph. When you want to indicate that someone has got a victory in a war or something else, so what word we will use? What preposition we will use? We will use over. Next sentence. The Mughal dynasty, you would have read about Mughal dynasty in your history books and all, ruled over India for centuries. What they have done, they have like, ये तो आप हमेशा याद रखिए, with ruled we will always use over when we want to indicate that they were there and they were like ruling over us. So what preposition we are going to use? We are going to use over. This is the picture, you can see it over here. Next, this is really very important. When there is sense of covering, like you see this man over here, what he is doing, he is covering his ears. Okay, what he has done with his hands, he is keeping his hands on the ear, he has covered his ear. So whenever there is sense of covering, we will use over, not above. We will use over, not above. For example, he has put her hands over her ears. That means he has put her hands on ears. He has covered it up. Alright. Next sentence, one more to make you more understand it clear. The hat is over his eyes. Look over there. She is not able to see. Why? Because the hat is over his eyes, not above his eyes. Okay, it has covered it. Whenever there is sense of covering, what we will use? We will use over, not above. Third one, there is cloud over the city. There is cloud over the city. That means the city is covered up with the clouds. Alright, the clouds are hovering over it. Right, next. They put a blanket over her. What do we do with the blanket? With the blanket we cover ourselves, right? With the blanket we cover ourselves. So whenever there is sense of covering, we will use over. So this is all about over and above. Rest of the prepositions will be continued in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.